Piece of Cake Moving Company, by the way, best idea ever. I am so glad I decided to go with the moving company this time because for the last few years of moving, I don't know why I decided to put myself through torture doing everything alone. And like this time around, there was no way that I had time to do the moving. So I decided to go with Piece of Cake Moving Company. I've always seen them around, and I'm so glad I did because they sent three guys over and they were done packing everything for me within like 2-3 hours. They were so quick. And I didn't have to do anything. They literally packed my clothes, my shoes, my kitchen stuff, my makeup, all my makeup. Like, you guys know how much makeup I have. They packed everything. And then once we got to the new location, they like loaded up my new apartment, put everything where I needed to be, and put my clothes away. Are you kidding me? Like, I felt like I needed to help, and then they were just like, no, thank you. But honestly, best idea ever. You guys gotta go check them out. Go book Piece of Cake Moving Company.